Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
Good, man. Can you hear me?
Yeah, have you been on long?
No, just about 4 minutes.
Oh, nice. All right, let's see here if I can.
Like stuck on the DM2.
Yeah.
You do any more last night?
What did I do? I did about no, I didn't do any more after we hung up. What did I do? I did about $100 across all my accounts.
Good. I believe there's an 8:15 news for the euro. Let's just say. Yeah.
What did you say? There's news for the euro?
Yeah.
At
Red folder. I think 8:15.
oh yeah, main refinancing rate. Oh yeah, so that's their interest. It's their interest decision. Okay, we've got 1 minute for 8 o'clock right now.
Yeah. It's been trying to break the DM2 for 3 candles now, 4 candles. There's the 8.
Yep. Trying to push down, but that's usually a little bit of a fake out.
Exactly what it did too. It's tight. We got the WM3 at 26, 43.26.
Yeah.
We're at 23.23, which has been playing 3 pips. It hasn't even got another boring day probably.
Yeah.
December's going out like a lamb.
Hitting the DM2 again.
Yeah. Looks like it has a little momentum behind it this time.
Yeah. I think you turned your camera off.
I did?
Yeah.
Was it ever on?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah, there you're back.
Are we on YouTube?
Yeah. I'm excited to get our business going and off the ground.
Yeah, that's good.
Now that my trading is stabilized.
I'm so not sure what I want to do with the mentorship part of it,
Yeah.
because I was doing the math in my head. It might be breaking the DM2.
Yeah.
Let's see where we are. Or is it coming back up to it?
I think it's going.
Yeah, I do too. I'm gonna get at. Kind of weird. I'm in, but I'm negative.
Yeah.
You're a little. There's a bull volume on the 15-minute. That
Yeah.
sucks.
Well, we hit the previous day point of control right there too, where I jumped out. Could have stayed in. We blasted through, but I took 120 on that anyway, so I'm okay.
But yeah, the bull volume is right at 1796, give or take. Yeah, I was saying, I'll do the math real quick. If I do a group mentorship,
Yeah.
right, at $5,000, if I divide that by 52 weeks, that's one session a week.
Yeah.
It's $96.
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Do it over a second. Plus, you got to have open office hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
Divided by 52, divided by 3. You're looking at $32 an hour.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And you have to answer everyone's questions and
Yeah.
make sure they're on point. It's a lot of work for nothing. Even if you times that by 1,000 people,
Yeah.
it ain't, you know?
Yeah. It's a lot. It's a lot. I mean, I just think about the amount of work you put in with me, and I think about the amount of work you put in with E-Man and everything. And that's 5 years ago, 5 years on.
Yeah,
Um,
it's a lot of work, but
yeah.
when you're dealing with people you like, it doesn't feel like work.
Yeah.
But when you're dealing with people that you don't know,
Yeah.
and the problem I have is there are people, and I've experienced it with some family members, that just don't take it serious.
Right.
So they come in one day, you don't see them for 3 months. Then they come in again, you don't see them for 2 months, and they drain you.
Yeah. Yeah.
As opposed to the people that really take it serious.
Right. Right.
And I'll spend time with anybody because I like teaching, but I don't know if I got the patience anymore.
Right. Right.
But we'll see. It looks different when you times it out by, let's say, 5,000 by 50 people is 250 grand. That looks good.
Yeah.
But then you have to micro it down to what it actually cost you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I just rather open another account.
Right.
Trade it.
Right. Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Like I like dealing with people in the way that we're doing it here. If we had 30 people on our call, or 50 or whatever, and if there were an orderly way, somebody were moderating questions, and so we're trading and talking and explaining for most of the session.
Right.
I don't mind that. I like that. But it's the scheduling calls later. I maybe it's I'm sure it's my ADHD, but to get me to do something at a moment when I don't want to do it, when I want to do something else, is like really hard. And I hate scheduling things that I know I'm not going to want to do. Like, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow at 3 p.m. and I have a trainer there who's waiting for me, and that kind of obligation on my calendar, I hate it. I can't. I hate it. I hate it.
I have the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the other thing is, my OCD forces me to stick with people until they're successful.
Yeah.
But I've never scaled that.
Right.
You understand what I mean? Like, with me, it might completely burn me out.
Yeah.
1 or 2 people I can do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But because I feel obligated to make everybody successful.
Right.
Even the ones that don't take it that serious. I
Right.
show up.
Right.
They may not show up, but I'll show up for them.
Right. Right.
That's what he did to me, Mike.
No, E-Man, you always showed up. You always showed up. You didn't play games. You jumped right in it head first. But I stuck with you. You're right. I wouldn't let you.
You don't let them drown. Yeah.
No, I wouldn't let you.
I tell him all the time. I appreciate it too.
Fish in the water. I won't leave you out like a fish in the water. I'll stick with you. If you sticking to it, I'll stick with you.
Yeah.
I was believing in the unseen. I was believing in Tono. had I not had Tono in my life, I probably would have quit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
That's why it matters who you know.
But if I hadn't had Tono in my life, I wouldn't have started.
Yeah. Well, same here.
Yeah.
You know, when I first met Tono, I thought I was getting into affiliate marketing.
Oh
You know?
yeah.
You did?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get into. And Carlos was like, "Hey, I know somebody who's doing this. Here, give him a call." So I was like, "All right, I'll do that."
So you were
Carlos
like,
didn't understand it at all.
so you were like, you called Tono and you were like, dude, I don't know what you do, but I'm just looking for a way to make some money.
That was
Hey,
basically it. It was
yeah, basically. At that point, I thought we was gonna have some affiliate marketing conversations because I remember calling and talking to some guys in Canada and other places. I was trying to get in that. Cause see, I had been around trading all my life because my dad is a trader.
Yeah.
And I didn't seen the woes of trading, the ups and downs. And I ain't want to go through that no more.
Yeah.
And I don't know what happened, but I wound up being a
E-Man,
trader.
I think
Oh,
you fell off on us.
your microphone moved or it got muffled.
Let's see, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we going down?
Feeling like it, but we're gonna hit the value area low right here at 3414.8 or 3415 more or less.
Okay.
So it's like right where that previous 1 minute candle spiked to.
Oh, 3414, yeah.
Yeah, right there is where the value area low is.
Okay. $8.15 and the news didn't do anything.
Yeah, let's see.
That was for the euro.
The euro, yeah.
So we got 8:30.
Did they release anything? It just shows, let's see. 8:15. Doesn't show. Oh, wait a minute. Wednesday. Today's Thursday. What the hell, Mike?
What happened?
No, I couldn't figure out what day we were on.
Oh. Right, we can take this back down if it wants to come down.
They left the interest rate unchanged in Europe, which is what they were expecting. And I suppose the monetary policy statement didn't have anything in it that drove gold. All right, well, now we wait. Unemployment claims and CPI. If CPI comes in hot, so I've been doing some reading, and I don't know how solid this is, but got it from Gemini, which is Google's version of AI, of ChatGPT.
Right.
And it said that silver, having reached about $66 per ounce, is the in terms of a ratio distance, it's very far away from gold. And what either happens is one of them snaps back to the other. And right now it's looking like silver is going to stay up there for a while. And so gold is poised to snap up to close that ratio. So we could be, today, because it's because it's like it happens very quickly after this ratio gets too large. Either silver is going to come down today, or gold is going to fly and maybe hit new all-time high today.
It looks more like it wants to hit the all-time high. It was at the today's range was 43. All-time high is 48. 81. So we're only 40 pips. So we were only 40 pips earlier.
Yeah.
Well, I just went through the EDM too, like it was nothing. Five-minute candle closes in 1 minute.
So if we get CPI higher than expected, that would be a catalyst to drive price gold up. No, wait a minute. Higher than expected? It's lower than expected. Lower than expected. If it's lower than expected, it would be... Hang on. Let me read this again. Today's U.S. CPI print is the gatekeeper. Forecasts of 3.1% headline inflation are expected. Any downside surprise, lower inflation, would likely be the spark that finally drags gold higher toward its record levels. So it says that the risk of the thing that could cause gold not to rise is the silver rally has been so vertical that profit taking is the biggest threat. If silver drops below 65.15, it will likely pull gold down with it, regardless of how much catching up gold needs to do. But if silver stays up there, then let's see. But if gold breaks cleanly above 43.50, then that kind of confirms that the catch up is on, and that gold will continue to fly. So, just interesting to think about. I never watch the silver market. I'm not watching it right now. Guess maybe I should open a tab with the silver market on it, huh?
The funny thing is, if silver is going up,
Yeah.
you're saying gold is going to chase it.
Yeah.
We'll see that on our charts.
Yeah, but if we see silver coming down, then we know that maybe we switch our bias.
All right. At this point, I don't even have a bias.
Yeah.
I just don't see, the last 5-minute candle, the wick is on the top, on the bottom, they're equal.
Mm-hmm.
The last 15-minute candle, the same thing. Stuck at the DM2 again, right above it.
Did I take 1 or 2 trades this morning?
So far, I saw you do one. Might be a sell.
Did you notice if I got in a little bit early in that last trade I was in?
No, actually, you got in later than I did.
Oh, okay.
So you kind of held your spot. That was a good move. You got out a little earlier than I did too.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all took a buy.
It was a
So,
sell.
Oh, okay.
right. I'll be right back.
Mhm.
News in 3 minutes.
Look like it want to go up.
Yeah. Gold was weaker than the dollar. The dollar's weak too, but so it can go either which way, man.
Yeah, that was some pretty good trading I did last 5 days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You got it. You just gotta like just keep doing it, man.
$1,000, over $1,000 with 10 lots. Pretty awesome.
Yeah. Two minutes for the news.
It needs something to break it up out of this area, the zone.
Yeah.
Wait 1 minute. All right, I'm front running the news, full margin. Buy. I'm buying with everything. I'm either gonna make it, either gonna pass all my challenges right now, or I'm gonna fail them all right now.
That's exactly why they have those rules in place. Because people actually do that.
Yeah. See 9, here it is, 8:30. And away we go. I just passed all my challenges. Oh, I guess that makes me the best trader in the world.
Bro, my system jammed up on me, and I made $89 just then. I was over 100.
Oh, that's great. Not trade this chop. We made it all the way up to the MR1. Just past the MR1.
Now go write it down.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's still got.
Juice, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to be some profit taking here, and people are going to turn right back around and do it again.
Yeah.
So unemployment claims came in exactly as expected. CPI came in hot. Oh no, cool. It was projected at 3.1 and it came in at 2.7. So bad for dollar, good for gold. This could be what takes gold to that, to what the analysis was saying. What's silver doing? Let's look at silver. What's silver XAG?
I think it is, yeah.
Let me know when you will get in, Tono.
It's nothing happening.
Yeah. Look at the wick on that thing.
We're looking at the 1 minute.
Yep, exactly.
All right, silver's holding 65.90 right now. It did spike to 66.10 on the news.
Yep, it's doing more crazy things again. Can't fool with it.
Yeah.
Have you going up and now this shot back down? I've learned. Now this is because we got volume just came into the market, or it's FOMC meeting.
It was the news.
Okay.
Unemployment claims and CPI, Consumer Price Index.
What did it spike up to? Was that 31, 35?
It spiked up to 33, 36, 13, 30, 43, 36.13.
36.
Did you take a bath?
No.
No.
This is the MR1 right here. I should have looked. I should have looked. I bought right into that resistance.
Mm-hmm. Hard to say what it wants to do.
Yeah.
I just took profit on my phone, and
Mm-hmm.
it kept running on the board on my laptop.
Your laptop was probably delayed.
Yeah, but I waited. I waited about 30 to 40 seconds. It still was doing it. I'm like, man, what's the deal?
Huh.
And I just clicked out of it on my laptop. because I didn't know which one was telling the truth.
And if you refresh both of them now, which one told you the truth?
I don't know, man. It closed where it closed at. I don't know.
Huh.
I closed with 14. I thought I had 18, $19 when I closed on my phone.
Yeah.
But it only gave me 1170. But when I closed on the laptop, it was right at 15.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Hmm. Stuck in that resistance on the daily pivot. And the 15-minute Hakanashi. It might. It breaks the Renko here. I'll go for a little ride on that. Yep. Take the 100. trades is that for me today? Let me look. That was my third trade today. Yep, hitting that now. Patty, come on. What is this? We were this high last night. Yeah, we were here at 30, 43, 44. When the range opened last night. Yeah, I'm up. What did I have last night? I'm up like 200 for the day. Anybody taking this down? One minute for 9 o'clock. There it goes. Yep. I'll see you tonight. Yeah, yeah. All right. Thanks for hanging out, Tono. Catch you later. All right. Bye-bye. All right. Hey, come on. Patty. Patty. My apologies to everyone. Let me mute the microphone here for a minute. Still with me, man? Yeah, it's just asking if you're still with me. Yeah. Oh. Yep, I just took 300 on that one, so I think I'm going to be done for my session. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Oh. Yeah. I think I'm going to call it. I don't want to tempt myself to trade anymore or give anything back, you know? But I'll be on tonight if you're around, and otherwise I'll see you tomorrow morning. All right, man. Have a good one. All right, YouTube. That is going to be it, I think. Let's throw up this stream ending thing and put on our outro music. If you're in this cell, you can stay in it. It looks like it's going to keep going. I would have stayed in it, but we were hitting the DM4 there. That's where, excuse me, is that the DM4 or the DM2? Hitting the DM2 there. That's where sellers take profit. So I bailed. But if you'd stayed in, you gotten a little more. You're hitting some more support right in here, right where we are now. So this would be a good place to get out, but not financial advice. If you want to stay in, and it has room to go under this, but I'm not sure if it's going to get through this. Anyway, we'll be back on tonight at about 7:30, going through the pre-market briefing and so on. So in the meantime, enjoy the outro music, and we'll catch you later.